Hello and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to review, the Leisch Life Cordless Leaf Blower. If you have a large yard and need a powerful tool to keep it clean and tidy, this might just be the best leaf blower for you. Stay tuned as we explore its features and benefits in this in-depth review. Let's kick things off by taking a look at what the Leisch Life Cordless Leaf Blower has to offer. This leaf blower is designed for those who want a hassle-free way to clean up their yard, patio, and more. It's cordless, lightweight, and powered by a 20 volts lithium-ion battery. But what really sets it apart? Let's dive into the details. The Leisch Life Cordless Leaf Blower boasts several key features that make it a top choice for large yards. First and foremost, it's equipped with a powerful copper motor that not only extends its lifespan but also reduces energy consumption compared to ordinary motors. This means you get a more efficient and longer-lasting performance. Additionally, the blower utilizes turbocharging technology to deliver an impressive maximum air volume of 130 miles per hour and 210 CFM, making it perfect for clearing leaves, debris, and even light snow. Plus, the cellular radiator design at the bottom helps prevent overheating, ensuring safety and durability. One of the standout features of this leaf blower is its lightweight design. Weighing in at just 3.3 pounds with a battery and charger included, it's incredibly easy to handle and maneuver. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a homeowner with a large yard, this lightweight blower offers effortless one-handed operation and is portable for easy carrying. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Leisch Life Cordless Leaf Blower is perfect for various home gardening tasks. You can use it to tidy up your garage, yard, porch, sidewalks, cars, balconies, and decks. It's a versatile tool that can handle a wide range of cleaning needs. However, keep in mind that it's not suitable for heavier tasks like clearing sand, gravel, or larger branches and leaves. For those jobs, it's recommended to use a more powerful blower. Battery life and performance are crucial when it comes to cordless tools. The Leisch Life Leaf Blower comes with a 20 volts lithium-ion battery that's rechargeable over 500 times. On high speed, it provides 15 minutes of runtime, and on low speed, you can expect up to 30 minutes. Please note that extremely cold weather may reduce operating time. But fear not, it charges fully in just 1 hour thanks to rapid charging technology. And there's a battery indicator light on the blower body to keep you informed about the battery status during use. Before we wrap up, here are a few battery maintenance tips to keep in mind. Firstly, Leisch Life machines and batteries are not compatible with other brands, so stick with their batteries for optimal performance. Secondly, when you receive the product, make sure to fully charge the battery before using it for the first time. And lastly, after a full discharge, wait 5 to 10 minutes before charging due to temperature control. Wrapping up our review, the Leisch Life Cordless Leaf Blower is a lightweight and versatile tool that's perfect for maintaining large yards and outdoor spaces. It combines power, efficiency, and ease of use in a compact package. Plus, it comes with a 2-year tool warranty and a 1-year battery warranty for your peace of mind. So, if you're in the market for the best leaf blower for a large yard, the Leisch Life Cordless Leaf Blower could be your solution. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening!